Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in about 2 weeks, and that was because I had the flu. So sorry about that, guys. And plus, I didn't really have an idea for a video. So what we're doing today is we're just gonna. What should we do for today? I think we should. What I think we should do is do some. Not Clash Royale, Clash Royale. Battle Cats. Because in Battle Cats, I got some new things. I got a Legend Wear, which I didn't know Legend Wear was actually like super. So yeah. I didn't know it was super rare. Oh, if y'all couldn't hear me, I'm sorry guys. My thing was messed up. What I was talking about was I have a super wear, and I didn't know it was like very good Legend Wear. Look around, pass along. And I didn't know I had that was like super rare. So I was like, so my friend said like, this is super rare because I'm new to this game. Anyways, Maneko, gonna goon on you. But what we gotta, sorry guys, let's start. There you go. Come right on. But anyway, I made it to a new chapter. Okay, yeah. Bye guys. I hope y'all have a good